Welcome to Guided Meditation Voyage, your sanctuary for peace, relaxation, and mindfulness. In today's session, we invite you to embark on a journey of mindfulness and presence, where you'll connect with the calm within and embrace the beauty of the present moment. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to relax completely. Close your eyes gently and feel the surface supporting you. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, grounding yourself in this moment. Let's take 3 deep breaths together. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold for 2. And exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Feel your breath flowing naturally, soothing your body and mind with each inhale and releasing tension with every exhale. Shift your focus to the present moment. Notice the sensations around you, the gentle touch of air on your skin, the sounds nearby, and the rhythm of your breath. There's no need to judge or change anything. Simply observe and acknowledge what is. We'll now gently scan through your body. Start at the crown of your head and slowly move downward. Notice your forehead, your jaw, your shoulders. Feel any areas of tension. As you exhale, imagine that tension melting away, leaving you feeling light and relaxed. Now, silently or aloud, repeat these affirmations. I am grounded in the present moment. I welcome peace and clarity into my life. I am calm, centered, and fully aware. Feel these words resonate deeply within you, anchoring you to a place of stillness and balance. Picture yourself in a peaceful meadow, bathed in soft sunlight. The air is fresh, the world around you is serene. Visualize yourself rooted in this tranquility and let it fill your heart with gratitude for this moment. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, reconnecting with your physical self. Take one last deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes. Remember, within you lies the strength to overcome any challenge, the light to guide your way, and the calm to embrace life's ups and downs. You are a unique and vital part of this universe, deeply loved and endlessly capable. Namaste.